Hydroelectric power. The kinetic energy available in large quantities of moving water has been harnessed for many hundreds of years. Moving water is a renewable resource. The sun causes water to evaporate continuously, so the water as a liquid converts into water vapor as a gas and to be drawn up into the atmosphere. This water then falls as rain to be collected in reservoirs and used again. Water wheels have been used to convert the energy processed by water in rivers to grind corn and power industrial machinery. A different kind of water wheel called a turbine is used to turn the generators in a hydroelectric power station. These power stations use the stored gravitational potential energy of water in high reservoirs built in mountains. The GP is converted to kinetic energy as the water flows down the mountain to the power station below. Although hydroelectricity is a very clean renewable resource, bulking reservoirs and power stations can spoil the landscape. The reservoir may also destroy or alter the nature habitat of a wildlife.